you will see a very sophisticated, classy Priyanka, who evolves into being a little girl, kind of a girly look, and then later turns a little bit more Indian. So it's the character was designed according to the film, the character that she plays in the film, and it had lot less to do with what I felt, but it was more to do with the character. And to do justice to the character, I did not think I'm designing for Priyanka. I thought I'm designing for the character Mala. So yes, it was fun experience, and I'm looking forward to a lot more movies.
Did you take any reference from the earlier?
No, it's actually it's the same Zanjeer, the same genre of the original Zanjeer, but at the same time it's very different. It's based on today's day and age. So the clothes are according to what is in fashion. In fact, the cue I had was that the movie is going to release in 2013. So the clothes had to be according to 2013 trend. In fact, the what is in for spring summer 2013, that is the kind of trends that we have shown for both Priyanka and Mahi Gill in the film.
Yeah, I was supposed to the iconic role of Mona. So how different would it be from Bindu ji, what she played in Zanjeer? And
the role of Mona was very exciting for me because Mahi has not been exposed to that kind of look. She's been shown in a very Indian way. Yeah, sure. Mona Darling in Zanjeer, the original Zanjeer, was an iconic role, and in this new Zanjeer, again, Mahi's role is going to be very interesting. She's going to be seen in a completely new, avatar that nobody has seen her before, because she's been doing a lot of these kind of simple Indian roles. So actually designing for her role in Zanjeer was very exciting for me. I have given her an extremely diva-licious look, very sophisticated, but of course keeping in mind that she's playing the gangster's mold, so she's very sexy, very sensuous, but very much how you would see in today's day and age, so I think she's going to be a big surprise element in the film. One second.
Being the most prestigious fashion show of India,
well, Lakme Fashion Week is one of the biggest international shows, not only in India but world over, and it definitely provides a huge platform for models in India. For the simple reason, as I said, these shows go online and are watched by billions of viewers, millions of people online, not only Indians but all international agencies, modeling agencies, international buying houses. So this is a great platform to be recognized at, and it is a privilege for the models to be at this show. It is definitely on the lines of any international show, so it's a great platform.
So can we see your collection this time?
Yes, I will be showcasing my collection. It's going to be a very exciting collection. Since I missed the last season, I am making sure that this collection is something that people are really amazed to.
Can you tell us something more?
Yeah, sure. The collection is called Lust. It is going to be based on the fact that how lustful the collection is in terms of, it's like the wish list. It's a resort wear that I am showcasing. But the theme of the collection is kind of sensuous, wearable, and very much according to the trends of 2013 and 14. The prints are actually traditional kind of prints put in a very modern form. It is going to be a typical Priyanka Tarapuri signature line, but with a lot of interesting twists in it.
Do you have any idea when in the mind for it to be there, the sort of showstopper? I hear you talking about
Yes, actually, for showstoppers, I want to do something different and a little, unusual. So I'm thinking of having actually a few male celebrities and actors who would, I think, come on the list of being lustful. So I want to kind of change things around. I don't want people to come and expect, the show to be how they expect it, but to be something different and unique. So I'm thinking, since we already have gorgeous 16 models, it would be great to have male celebrity who India lusts for in different fields of their lives, you know, musicians, actors, artists, painters. I think it'll be interesting, and I do plan to show them in, I have never done menswear, but I will be designing menswear for these few celebrities, maybe 6 or whatever. So I think that will be something new and different, which people are not expecting me to do. So.